Hey guys, welcome to Meshte and Anime, new episode. Obviously, you're joining us. We're here. That means you're here.
Subscribe, like, follow.
Yeah,
and share.
with the boys, with the boys.
Yamasai naswati. Not existent.
Ishama King size. Ishama King size.
Yeah, we don't even know the size.
Yeah,
We come in peace. We come in peace.
So
Azikho phakathi gang yakhe.
Don't forget to tell us what you think, though. We appreciate your comments. Don't forget to tell us what you think.
even though you're attacking us.
Hey,
It's fine. Man.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It's okay. Just
they're
don't-
sharing their opinions. So
Yeah.
yeah.
We
We won't always agree on one thing. That's another one.
Yeah, I can feel a disagreement coming, man.
Yeah.
I can feel it coming.
On what?
In MTN 8,
What? Wait.
final.
What do you think of the game? Actually, yeah. We saw
Aye,
the
boy.
game. Pirates won 3-0.
I actually
Yeah.
don't think Pirates is good, boy. Stellenbosch is extremely poor. Those guys, they have a small team mentality.
You think so?
Small team mentality, boy.
What happened that makes you think that?
Hey, boy, when you're watching the game, those guys, they're not there to win the cup. They were there to try and win the final, not to win it.
You think they wanted it to take it to the penalties?
Not really, but as soon as they went to extra time,
Yeah.
in Mondial, it went to, okay, let's prepare for penalties. They stopped playing the game after the full 90 minutes.
Yeah.
You understand?
But what do you think of the game in the 90 minutes? Like, what do you think of the game?
It was a 50-50 game. It could have went either way. Because they did get opportunities to score. The John was pushing, but again, it's a small team mentality. They couldn't. I don't know, nothing. They couldn't. They find the final move,
Yeah.
final touches, final third. They couldn't convert those guys. They got the chances.
What do you think, Speed?
Stellenbosch is rebuilding phase. Every season.
What are they rebuilding?
Every season, Italy rebuild.
But they don't need rebuilding. Mus.
No, but they are rebuilding.
From what?
Because they sell players.
Yeah.
Again, that is a small team mentality.
No, it's not. It can be a small team mentality, but they sell.
Exactly. Who sells? You
Them.
never
Yeah,
never
so-
find Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs or Pirates selling their biggest player.
Yeah.
Yes.
What does that tell you?
But Bona, they are always rebuilding.
That's the issue. Small
And
team
they
mentality.
wanted to rebuild with final. Same applies to
Small team
Pirates.
Small team
What?
mentality.
Same applies to Pirates. In
What
that
about it?
game,
Yeah.
it's like they were rebuild. It's like they were trying to find what is good for them
In that game.
in that game.
So imagine experimenting on a final. What does that
They
mean?
they
I'm
were
opponent.
doing. It's like they were trying to.
What does that mean? I'm opponent.
'Cause
If they're
they
trying to
put-
rebuild,
Squad. Ama-fans athi,
Yeah.
Safela.
then they change.
Safela. Like they completely
And you
failed.
saw what the coach said after the game.
Because it's winning.
He
Man,
said-
I'm winning. When you're winning, you say such things. But Petro Premiership is coming back. Sorry, Petro Premiership is back.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
Big move. All these they can call me. It's
I'm still a flower.
Yeah.
Because
When you're winning,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
you
say
can
whatever.
talk.
You can say whatever.
Iliki sayibuyile. That
Yeah.
game was gonna be a draw, 1 point.
Exactly.
In which
Yeah.
Pirates fans were not happy.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
if you are failing to beat a striking Stellenbosch in 90 minutes,
But hey, bro, like give Paris credit at least for winning the cup, way. Like, bro,
Hey.
they MTN 8 is there,
You know, I can give credit to the coach, not the team. I'm not sure if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But the coach has actually managed to save his job.
Yeah, he actually
It's good.
did.
yeah.
But for Pirate, I feel like this MTN 8 is going to set them back because now they're going to be fine with not winning the league, not winning CAF, not winning Nedbank because they won MTN 8. So regardless of what
Yeah.
happens, they have something to brag about. No, it's MTN 8.
Ama-SIM card.
Yeah, but they have something to brag about. Check last season.
Yeah.
What did they win Paris last season?
MTN 8.
Only MTN 8.
Yeah.
But you see, they're working tall as if, you need Nedbank. Because you want the Nedbank. Now you also have MTN 8.
Yeah.
So they were hiding behind the
The
MTN 8.
8, sure.
So I believe the same thing is going to happen this season. Just because they've won the MTN 8. They
But
don't
wait,
feel
they've
like
won
they
it
should.
4 times in a row now.
So,
We don't disagree.
It's theirs.
no, so
It's history, boy.
Yeah.
They've done it. Okay,
So-
cool. But then,
Sundowns
So-
hasn't won it in how long now?
So does that make Pirates a better team than Sundowns?
No,
Exactly.
no. of
So,
course.
but then now they're gonna make it look like they're a better team than Sundowns because they won the MTN 8 4 times in a row, which Sundowns
Yeah.
has never done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then it's not something to be proud of the whole season. Now
Yeah.
give them it's fine, give them the credit they've won the MTN 8. Cool. But then we've forgotten about it. Skokune versus the Chiefs, the next big thing. Number 1 versus number 2. That's really
No, number
Number
3
one
and
versus-
number 4. Number
in.
2 and number 3.
Or Sundowns winning like it. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
But
Nah, it's fine. Vele
Skokune,
kahle
yes.
number 1 and number 2.
Skokune versus the
Number
Chiefs.
1 and
Yeah.
number 2.
Yeah, we're past them now, Pirates. Like
Number
MTN 8,
one, number two.
I don't think it's gone. And I think it's because it's during the beginning of the season.
Yeah.
Community Shield.
Hey, whoa! Hey!
It's like the Community Shield. On a serious note.
Wait. At least it's not a one game.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like.
But it's more of like an experimental cup. That's why
It's not. But
that's why
teams take
Bejala
it
before.
serious.
That's
It
why-
is a serious cup.
Yeah,
it is a
teams
serious
do
cup.
take it
But that's why
serious.
Bejala before.
Yeah.
That's why Bejala before. Okay, that guy, abamfakile. Who knows this guy? Abamfakile. Batho bankam like. We meet.
Hey,
A new guy, abampa.
bro. I also like to say something. Pirates always has random players with random faces.
So, bafake
Each
a
and
new
every
guy.
season.
And
Yeah.
ukuthi ubone ukuthi
Yeah.
they were experimenting there.
Hmm.
The babe first game yakhe.
I don't even know.
Mfaka against the Chiefs. So bon.
So but try next year, King. We're gonna try next year.
2026.
Hey, like I'm still like fixed on Usbisi.
Yeah.
Unda.
Yeah.
Like I haven't moved on. And the person always
Where's
move on.
Sibisi? Injured.
I saw him. I think he's injured because I saw him lapa. At Orakadla.
Yeah.
Pirates ngekwazi.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. They always unveil random
Just like
players.
nami ngithe ngiyabheka ku technical team ngibona umpontshana ithe kanjani. Yeah. He's now a goalkeeper coach.
Like
Yeah.
how do you not know these things?
But wait,
Umngane kaMatt.
who was your man of the match that game? Not the player.
Boy, Apolis.
The Pirates.
Apolis.
Yeah.
Because it's super sub. But I saw Umremi 2 assists and a goal.
Yeah.
But
Mina I'll give it to
no,
OCM.
footnote, is it no, not I think assist in a goal. Because Apolis I think Ashanga 2 assists Apolis.
Yo, a police.
Because uthethe lokugcina mfana. Hayi
Yeah.
le Umremi uyihlala.
Aye.
Abantu ngashaya
That's
le
very-
goalkeeper eStellenbosch mile like rooted
Yeah.
out.
Well,
I mean, I'll give it to OCM though.
But that was in Atika's game. Well, Apolis basically changed the game, boy.
yeah.
When Apolis
No.
came,
Yes,
the
I
game.
He
understand.
gave them
they-
something new.
Yeah.
Something they
I
didn't
understand that,
Yeah.
but in terms of play,
yeah,
OCM hold it down.
Ibambi.
Bekayibambile mpa. The entire 90 minutes. Because kunenye mistake eshayo ngu wayiseva. OCM wavala ihlazo. Ngiyasubala.
But boy.
You give him my flowers, give him his flowers, yeah. Seseklabhini, seseligini.
Yeah.
Obvious, you have to pick sides.
Yeah, sure. Umbokazi ne.
Ah,
Inini.
But Fethu.
Yeah.
Apolis.
Yeah, boy.
Apolis boy, he has what Mbule legs, boy. Attacking spirit, boy.
Yeah,
pace.
attacking
Boy,
intent.
Apolis when he when he holds the ball, chances are the ball is going to end up boxing your opponent. When
Yeah.
when Apolis
Yeah.
has the ball in his feet,
Yeah.
chances are there's going to be a big chance created.
No, but mina. Okay, fine, uzosho kanjalo, but I would
Chances
tend
are.
to.
Nah, but look at
Mina,
it.
I
but-
feel like
Yeah.
Pirates, when they get under pressure,
Yeah.
they can't calm down. Because I've seen Apolis a panic like kumanyama situations
Yeah.
where it's supposed to be relaxed, just like kule game.
Mhm,
But you are
mhm.
born to shake. Akasayenzi good decisions like uHot.
Yeah,
UHot
yeah.
is deadly. But angazi uthi yini esuke imbambe. I missed an empty
Uhote has been playing for too long.
Yeah, hey, hot.
He's been playing for too long. Like, especially in that Pirates team.
Yeah.
He's been
So,
he's been
for the first time ngabheka iPirates ngathi uyabona le Pirates le ayingithusi mina. even if we study derby, I won't be like, yee. I didn't do so.
You know what?
Relaxed, like.
Yeah.
But the way
Yeah.
they are gaining momentum.
Nah.
They might not be scary, but you know what confidence can do to it.
Yeah.
So when you gain momentum, mokudlala nengane ezina 16 years.
What are you? Who's 16 years old now?
Okay, I'm sorry. Ngithuke i-student worship but le nto abayenze lapha. That was like,
that's what I'm saying. Those guys,
my friend.
Fine.
Student worship we stress.
Yo,
Like you see what they want to do,
exactly,
but they are not going to do it because
they can't.
Do you
They
think
don't
it
have-
failed because it's a final? That pressure of a final.
No,
crumble.
they've lost 2 successive finals now to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
the first one, yes, because Basha in it. This one, they were.
Hey boy, they were not prepared to win.
We remember a game against the Chiefs.
Yeah.
Uguti, by equalizer. Then after that, they shut down again.
Yeah.
Same.
That's what
But
happens
this time,
after 90 minutes.
We were shut it down.
After 90 minutes.
Because the Chiefs, uguti defender, you are last man. Kahlele libhola aliphume stadium simthole edladleni lomunye umuntu.
Yeah.
Then yena yenza mistake then libe injalo against the Pirates. Ukuthi, just kill the game.
I mean,
That was
hey, bro, that was a failed hate watch. You couldn't even hate watch in peace.
Yeah.
You had to hate watch that shit, bro. Like,
we're
waiting to hate watch. Bro, we were friends of Staley's, man.
Yeah.
Come on.
What's recruited?
Yeah, I was back as like we need our support and everything.
Sundowns, Chiefs supporters,
Yeah.
come join us. And
He
start
said that,
join us.
yeah.
Just sign a petition with you.
Yeah, we were friends of Staley's, bro. But I
Yeah.
failed to deliver those guys.
They failed.
At least
Aye.
lose with dignity.
Yeah,
Right,
man.
boy. And those guys were defeated.
Mm.
Especially after the second goal. Not even the third goal. Second
Yeah.
goal.
Not
They
even the second.
they were demoralized.
The first goal.
Like you could probably Bapela man.
First goal, yo.
But like they were
Goalkeeper.
and they both that guy had a top 90 minutes. Bro.
Yeah, boy.
Confidence was on 95%. Come to one disaster.
No, but you one year corner
Disaster.
in between now.
And actually that is you're supposed to save that
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
Because that Pirates guy is not like aim spy. Two velo fucking out play for that.
Niggas against Tunche.
Hayi, apolice boy 2 assist.
Niggas.
Oh, apolice ushayile pass ya kanje.
Yoqala, yeah.
Yes,
sure.
yes. Boy, PlayStation stuff, boy.
Well featured.
Yeah, FIFA 21 R1 square. R1 square.
Yeah, so our police changed the game.
Hey, boy, police boy. Yes. I didn't want to boy. And I'm telling you right now, Bafana squad is there, that kid, boy.
Yeah, obviously.
Ah,
He has to be
police
there.
boy, yes.
He has to be there. Boy. He's a key member.
That's what I'm saying. But if Umbule had the very same
Yeah,
deadly
intense.
instinct,
Yeah,
boy.
yeah.
Yes. That was about dangerous.
Sure.
Yeah.
Mina-
Umbuli, yeah.
Because people were happy.
Yeah.
Did you not see the post?
Yeah, they were happy, was it?
They were happy, but the important thing with the scoreline was this with
Yeah.
Usipho Mbuli. We were entertained, yes, but the important thing was
Mina
this.
nginkhinyela ukuthi yena is just we-stylist.
Umnandi.
No,
Yeah,
but he's not.
besides
He's not
ukuba
effective.
mnandi.
Yeah, is
Yeah.
that?
Besides that, we have seen Umbule omnandi.
Yes.
And logo Pirates akekho mnandi.
Ayekho
Because
mnandi.
on a serious note,
Ishmara
on a serious note, Umbule we Super Sport was far much better than Umkwena we Super
fana
Sport.
ngisafuna ukusho no
Was far much better than Umkwena we Super
Umbule
Sport.
Super Sport. Yeah.
Far much better than Umkwena we Super
fana
Sport.
lombule
But
la.
omunye waba ne growth then
Yeah. Lombule la kata
He
cook.
stayed the same basically. Or
Lombule la kata cook. Super Sport. Yeah.
but then we're here now in Pirates.
Yeah.
You think he can match that? Or he
yeah.
can go above it?
No, here's
can-
Uzodan. I
yeah.
remember second coming like Kermit Erasmus.
Yeah.
But he looked like,
He's getting
He was
there.
going to-
Yeah.
and then
Wanyamalala.
yeah.
Okay.
But
Umbule,
I
all
think he
eyes are-
can. He can.
all eyes are on Umbule right now.
Yes.
And he's giving us what we want up
Yes.
until we realize what he's not giving us what we want.
Yeah.
Because ungangidribula use center half yakho ungishaya udedede pass sideways, it will look nice to our fans up until when it's time for you to show up.
And the time is gonna. And I still say,
I'll show you up.
The Betway Premiership is back.
It's back.
And troubles are gonna start again for Pirates.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, remember they fought the MTNA.
Yeah.
But then now there's no escape because remember in Cubs Pirates they always find a way to win.
Yeah, they do.
Whether they are playing poor or they are it's not make sure they always find a way to win.
And this time I'm going to play more coach.
Betway Premiership they can't. They can't.
They won't do anything with.
They can't. Not that they won't. They can't. They can't. They are unable to, boy. They can't. They can't.
What do you see them finishing?
I'm gonna give them 3 jokes because Stellenbosch. They're feeling to claim that spot.
But
yeah.
They've sitting as coconuts.
No, those guys are just early risers. You know?
3.
They're not gonna finish.
Yeah,
no.
2. Kosi 1.
Obviously.
You've said
Mina-
before.
I know. I just wanted confirmation.
Manje ngayifaka ku top 5.
In
iPirates izongena nje ku top 5.
Yeah.
But not ku top 3.
But
between 4 and 5.
Yeah. Unless
yeah.
Imi transfer something happens.
Bafix
Bafix.
good. Where should they fix?
I'm actually curious about
yeah.
When they need fixing. Like Pamela Bafix good.
Mele bafix isiso sabo.
But boy they are baning.
Yeah.
Baning bayenzani? That's the thing.
Like baning.
Bayenzani.
Yeah.
No, but
Baning bayenzani. It's like a defense yao. Baning.
And baning.
Oh, you know, but Pirates has always been like this. When Pirates has always had many players.
That's what I'm saying. It's random players. They have random players.
We are kubhekile ukuthi ebafethu this guy is failing.
Yeah.
But angekwazi ukwenza.
Wait, so what do you think of Rele?
Boy, it's the hardships of football, but it happens to the best of us. That thing.
Yeah, wait.
But then again, I still say it's the same thing. Abenza umbokazi now. Too much. They were too much on Mfuki.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah.
Too much. Too much hype. And remember, he was fired, but he was fired for a short period of time. 1 season is not enough.
Yeah.
He hasn't done it consistently, so that's why I'm saying with the Umbokazi now, the amount of hype that they're giving him, we're not saying it's not good, but we still need that consistency for us to be sure.
Yeah.
Because anyone can have a good run of games.
Wait.
Anyone can have a good run of games.
A good season, anyone can have a good season.
Anyone can have a good season.
The next
but
one,
now can you continue doing that thing?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, fine. Give him his flowers. Okay. For his age, right? He's good.
Yeah.
He's good.
Yeah.
But overall, he's not the best. For his age, he's good.
Yeah.
But overall, he's not the best. Yet.
Yeah.
One thing that Pirates fans and people are doing, they are failing to put that yet. We are not yet.
Yeah, he's not the best.
Because
yet.
They are not giving him a room for a growth.
Exactly.
Because he's
yeah. Well put. Yeah.
He can grow to become
the best.
Ramos.
Yeah.
He can still grow to become Umakwai. I remember Umakwai was fired with Star City. Then what he knew.
Yeah.
Yes. So usasena ama options akakachoose ukuthi yena uya ku Ramos noma uya ku Maguire, but he's still
growing. They should give him the patience, the time actually.
I think they should give him just the right amount of hype, because now the way saying a corner, they see no mistake in him. But knowing football, boy, you expose her.
They see no mistake. It's in Nedbank.
But then, to them.
What you learn from your mistakes?
But
they're hiding it.
But you can't learn from mistake that is not recognized.
Suarez.
Yeah.
Washama mistake
ayi-2
against the Chiefs ne Pirates.
Yeah.
Msebenzi wakho waphela.
Yeah.
They understand the value ye mistake yakho yenza.
Yeah.
Ne game yakhona. Omunye wayishaya hey.
It never happened. It never happened. Mistake.
Our mistake, way. Like I won't lie, our mistake now. Like in a game,
they don't see.
Against Nigeria, we need mistake. He has to clear that out.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
you can make a mistake.
Yeah.
Then your opposition striker, he better because
capitalize.
You mustn't turn a blind eye. singathola lezi
Yeah, hey, it's so funny.
But then again, it's Pirates fans. With Umfuking, it was also the same thing. As much as Begavalumu Akore,
Yeah.
how many had he missed? How many games
Yeah,
had he like
yeah.
Biangeki gaming? They would have said because in that one game, they're gonna see that one pass I switch here.
Yeah.
But that one dribble I they're gonna ignore everything else.
But angazi whether nizolwa nami noma kanjani.
Yeah.
Yena no Matthews, they are the same.
Who?
Umfukeng. Mamela.
Let me explain.
Let me elaborate.
Yes.
Let me elaborate.
Yeah.
Elaborate.
Same chance ethola ngumfukeng I missed.
Mm.
The same chance ethola nguMatthews I missed. Ama-Pirates fans, I understand eka Matthews, eka Mfukeng.
Yeah.
But eka Matthews ngeke ba understand. It's the same.
Yeah,
Because don't forget bekashayinate now Matthews.
Hey, Matthews.
Asimbona.
No,
Mara
afika. Kunalapho aphaswa ubani? Aphaswa uRibeiro.
Yeah.
uRibeiro bekanokumshaya ngama-assist.
Yeah.
Ayishaya iphasi so yangena even against iCross
Matthews.
same thing nomfukeng.
Yeah.
Niyalibala ukuthi ubhede ezinye izinto.
No, I just think
Kunalapha ngivele ngizonibisela kuDabi.
yeah.
Adive khona ku-18 area eMakho Mikele. Ama-Pirates fans abona penalty. But that was the straightest dive. Intwana beyibona i-swimming pool. And if needing beyenze nguMatthews.
Yeah.
Besizovele simshise. Thina ezikhosi inkinga ikhosi ithanda into zekhosi. Ikhosi ayingeni into zayo.
Yeah.
Ikhosi ayingeni.
Yeah.
That's why ubone singabashisi ngokuthi hey ubani wenza imistake kwigame kanje against thina. As long as thina siwinile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awungeni.
Ikhosi ile happy ikhosi alikhulumile. But laba abanye manje sigibele yiye like usuku ungunderstand ukuthi if nina nithi ni Sundowns you've been dominating for 7 seasons. Why ningafuni ukuyeka ikhosi phansi because nithi ni better kuna.
Yeah.
But basleli here. So thina as expose ama mistake kwawo. But singafuna ukwa expose.
Ngozenge.
Wonyewe. Lentwana sizoyishisa iretire ihlala endlini. Lethi thina simukhereyo mfana.
The angry man.
Manje sesiseligini akusena mess.
True.
Akusena mess.
Yeah, hey.
But
Just like bafana number 1. Engayenza iphutha somshisa.
And then he's working on a boy.
Yeah, sure.
Because on a serious note,
but it's not.
ever since about 2025, Williams has been S.
For the past 2 seasons, actually.
Williams has been S.
He's been S.
He has been S.
Yeah, sure.
If it wasn't for that thing, we basing goalkeeper based on the past year.
Yeah. He wasn't gonna play.
Means now we're at a point we run mistakes. We'd rather risk with what we know Williams that to take
Yeah.
And then after that, I'm a Christians.
We'd rather go with what we know. Maybe after World Cup next year, we can try to Williams boy, yeah. Because basically Williams is the team that's protecting Sundowns.
Yeah,
he's not being exposed. He's not being forced. He's not being forced to make saves.
Like you'll even find that like when Sundowns has like faced 3 shots on target, 2 are conceded. He only saves 1.
Yeah.
Like it's the same thing with Ederson actually. Like exactly the same thing where the team like plays well
and then the keeper is not protected.
Yeah. And when the team doesn't play well,
he gets exposed. Because Mochapek, you can even put Onyango there. It doesn't really matter for Sundowns.
Yeah.
You can put No, but I'm just saying currently right now.
Amarno Williams, pick Williams was good.
Yeah, but
pick Williams was good.
What happened to the pick, too?
I think he got too comfortable, amazing.
Let me ask you. Was it at Sundowns or a Supersport?
From Supersport till Sundowns.
I think it's 2 picks. It's 2 picks.
Yeah.
Personal performance, it was Supersport. But career-wise, in terms of trophies and everything, was Sundowns.
Yeah, so he just got trophies.
Yes.
It's like Umdibo. A Supersport Umdibo was fire.
Everyone was fine. Super Sport. Boy.
but
Super Sport, boy.
eSundowns
Those guys they were cooking.
wawina
Ish.
ama-trophies.
Ish.
Mara nomtiba boy Sundowns katakuka.
Yeah, it
into
was.
ngitshela yona ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi umaluleke wakhokha eSundowns.
Ah,
No, but wadlala ama-games. Ngiyaremember against the Chiefs. Adribule ukhuni wamshaya inyawo waba yi-penalty.
No, but you were like,
Yadribule ukhuni wamshaya inyawo yaba yi-penalty.
that was just like, Joe,
He did. Ungabheka most of them Sundowns yokunikeza i-chance, ukunikeza i-hope. Ukuthi he add
Maluleka.
value to our team.
manje abasena choice.
Remember
cool.
Brock? Same thing to Brock. uBrock naye bamnikeza
Yeah.
i-chance. But
Africa things.
That guy was good.
in my friend, that guy was deadly.
Yeah,
Because he was better than
I think
Ukropla.
it was him and Kropla.
Yeah.
That combination.
Huh?
Wait, I don't know.
I think those guys are underrated too.
Yeah, wait.
And
Nah, wait, they
you
were
know why he's
cooking.
underrated?
SA bowlers, boy.
They
No,
were
boy.
cooking.
Do you know why he was under?
Yeah.
He failed to a point ukuthi besongasafuni bathinde ukuthi avuke like career yakhe yafela sa try ukuthi
Yeah.
ukuyibamba ngeclear
But he
yangavuki.
never failed. Like he had consistent numbers until recent.
Kropla.
Yeah, Grobler.
Oh.
He's
No.
always had consistent numbers
Mina
until
ngithi
recent.
ukhuluma ngoBrock. Okay, uKropla ngafika.
Kropla, boy.
No, but recently his numbers have been like low.
But
Grobler
you should also check the
The
age
age.
also.
The age.
But now he's coming back, Moose. He's cooking again.
But at what age?
But he's cooking. He's not
At what
cooking.
age?
Yeah, we like.
I've
He's going to his 40s.
not 36.
Exactly,
Yeah.
he's going to his 40s.
58. He's going to his 37.
Okay,
He's going to his 37. Not his 40s.
compete against bathu bandothembisa abantu into engekho umahopa
Oh,
abomahopa
hey, what's happening with Pirates? Pirates' striker situation. Who's Pirates' number 9?
Wait, according to me, boy, it should be Mabasa.
Because in Buena, that celebration was personal. It didn't look like
Yeah, wait, like
it didn't look like celebration. It looked like very personal. Mabasa.
should be it should be Mabasa. boy.
Not going to be in Japan. Explain.
Yeah,
Something was personal. Like in young, and you see me. You see what I can do.
Yeah. Nah, but it should be Mahopa.
Those are the energies I got from that
Mahopa.
celebration.
No, Mabasa. Did I say Mahopa?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Mabasa. boy. According to me, but it should be Mabasa.
I mean, I should be a radio band so that we can continue winning the league. Radio man is rain.
Mara, wait, it's not bad actually. Wait, Radio Pan.
No,
Wait,
do you know
Yeah.
into enkinya ngo-radio pan
Radio Man.
radio man the radio activist
Yeah.
ungamfaka nentanga zakhe
Yeah.
uzozabe ethi ushaya ama-double hat-trick for 3 weeks
Yeah.
then yabazini is ahead of ama-age mates wakhe.
Yeah.
yeka ngimuthi fa
Yeah.
kwisquad
Next.
nawe uzoba
I mean, I think Radio Man,
ukuthi
I shower his cards.
isikhathi
Yeah.
sani
Coach, when the coach came, he was willing to give youngins a chance. Ispan siyaphela. My club is on the line. I don't have time for this. Cards.
Olipasa was performing at
No,
the same age no radio man.
no, but I'm talking about Radio Man now and the current Pirate situation.
Yeah, I know.
I think
But
it-
I'm saying
Yeah, he was gonna. Yeah,
it's a similar player.
yeah,
Olipas was given that chance.
because situations were different.
Was banned.
Situations were
They were
different.
winning.
Situations were different.
Remember when you win, you
Situations
can
were different.
experiment.
Yeah.
You do this, you can.
Look at it this way. Umailuna, the reason why he got that chance and improved because Sundowns was winning. They were able to give him the chance to enter and get any freedom. There's no prayer.
Amorin tomorrow. Mfuna on Monday nje, mighty Monday.
Yeah.
Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. Monday, I
In fact,
give it to me.
yeka ngimnikeze this week. Abe drafta kahle aye kuma internet cafe. Afune nje ama templates are right. Okwenza ama resignation letters wakhe because lento ayenzile.
Wenzeni? According to you, wenzeni Amorim? What's wrong with Amorim?
Yeah.
Okay, so reference out both teams.
Yeah.
City had the worst goalkeeper on planet Earth. on
Sure.
planet Earth. Ederson, Trafford kwaSana.
Yeah.
Ederson kanjani ngime inew guys.
Sikhuluma
Ah,
ngesithi.
you
the
gotta
worst
play. Yeah.
Okay.
goalkeepers.
Mm.
uGuardiola wathi ethola ichance yokuthola into serious.
Mhm.
Wayivela wayistart.
Yeah.
Because it's a big game uyazi ukuthi a
Sure.
lot is at stake.
And hey, uvimbili uDonnarumma. Hawu Donnarumma. Hey.
Ngibona abambe ishot
Hey. Hey.
Wonderful.
Delicious. Yeah.
Amorim.
Mm.
Uyazi ukuthi he has 2 worst goalkeepers. Bese okay bekane 2 oyi-1 uvayile. 2 worst goalkeepers
Yeah.
in the past generation and the future generations.
Ele persona. Yeah.
Yeah.
Worst goalkeepers.
Sure.
Ubhayindiri makafune ispani somewhere else emayini. Idiski lihlulile mngani wami.
Yeah.
Bamayini udlala ipool, udlala idraft, udlala something,
Yeah,
chess.
yeah.
Worst goalkeeper azomfaka kwidabi. Ubhayile ugoalkeeper. At least take that goalkeeper umfake.
Yeah. Ish.
But imagine, you see, the problem with Man U and everything.
Faka lokho thula umsindo kusakhuluma mina.
Sorry. Forgiveness.
Faka loya muntu.
Singaze shona ku podcast because I'm speaking Me and You.
Faka loya muntu swing game.
Marakta, he's not fit yet. He's not.
He's not fit for what? uDonnarumma is fit for what? Because uDonnarumma bakakadlali
Yeah.
idiski this season.
Akakadlali
At
vele.
all.
That was his first game.
First game and he did
Club
excellent.
game. Because internationally, yeah.
That's enough.
Ah,
Yeah.
nah.
That's enough.
Okay, fine. So kanjalo but
That's
yeah.
Sure.
Bamnikeza expose
Mm.
washaya ispan. Now I do the same thing. Ubusy nje uhleli la ngaphandle. Wenza into esingazazi. Into esingazazi. Why ufaka uManuel Ugarte when you have a fit Casemiro?
So you're saying the issue with Amorim's tactics, Joe?
Amorim's tactics are whack.
Yeah.
Whack. I can do a better job. Give me half a season. I mean, I will take menu ngifake ku top 5.
Yeah.
There is no need yokuthi ube ne line eyi-1 eka uga bathu bani uDiallo noMbuemo same place like
Yeah.
badlale kanje. That is
Yeah.
demonic. That's satanic. Satanism.
But
This is
it was good for attack. No?
for attack group, same place, same
Who
side.
was playing on that other side?
First angisho dog ya. So uDiallo bekanokubaleka vaya edlala that side.
Yeah. That's the whole point.
The whole point of what?
Like Dembele Kvaratskhelia vibes,
Yeah.
you know, switch wings.
Switch. UMbuemo akayanga that side.
Yeah.
uDogu bekavaya edlala that side. uBruno
Oh,
athi left back.
yo, bro, Udogli, bro, yo.
Dogu, Sesko, Mbuemo, Diallo, Mazraoui. Like uyenza kanjani?
Oh.
Ha,
Mazraoui baba, ngathi was uninterested. He was not even interested in the game. That nigga
ngibone
too.
something.
Yo.
Obhayinwele.
Yeah.
Lento yakhe yethekhi lena. Ilento emdlalisa umsangano.
No, but Joe, besides the
Ah, ngeke.
Mazraoui was not uninterested in the game, boy. Like Joe, like when I say not interested, I mean bebe mpasi ball, I'll trap, arm akubheke. And then I'll release it. And then apasa uBruno bese ba-intercept, like
Yeah.
you're not even in the game.
Menu was demonic. And mina
Yo.
nizongizonda all you want.
Yeah.
But as a menu fan, that bearded man oshine ngathi roll-on lawyer onentshebe, he must go out. Umhlala pha. uMbuemo kumele athathe umhlala phansi.
But you
Man U's best player kuphi?
was me.
Ama-chances awatholile.
Rashford.
uRashford
Uyibambile
ubamba
uDonnarumma.
uSesko. Unaleya indizi seyacishe yaphuma estadium. Unale I think it was like 2 times.
Yeah.
Ewaflyisa.
Yeah, Shimbe.
Thina we buy a striker yena uba yipilot. Honest uMbuemo.
For one. Umreplace ngobani?
Faka uDiallo.
Another useless guy.
Uzoshayina kanjani uMbuemo ashade naye la?
Bro, he lost the ball in his feet so many times.
Asibheke PSG.
No, he lost the ball in his feet so many times.
uHakim uMayet
Yeah,
uDembele uyazi ukuthi sekaba strike.
sure.
Yeah.
Uduo futhi uDembele ungena abe u10.
Yeah,
Kube uduo noKvaratskhelia or something.
yeah.
uHakim abe u9.
Mm.
We understand.
Yeah, they know how to
Yeah.
move.
Yeah.
They know how to move.
Baye kithi benibhola. No ushayirana uMazraoui. In front of uMazraoui unoDiallo. In front of uDiallo kunale Rolonde la phambili. 3. Why are you this side to crosselwa bani? Usesko sebamakile 2 defenders. He's done. That other side
Usesko
Uno-
abamakanga mfana. Usesko was not marked. Usesko, it was poor supply. Yes, yes.
uya kanjani bona beshade
Yeah,
beyi2 this
yeah.
side.
Diallo boy.
Ah,
That's what
mara-
I'm saying with Diallo Joe. He lost the ball in Yahweh. He lost
and
it
whereas-
here.
Yeah.
It's not that they failed to pass. He had the ball. He tried to dribble.
Yeah, then he loses it.
And you know what's the worst part about the menu? Ne? They don't have pride. They don't have fighting spirit. That is Stellenbosch, actually.
No, besides that, do you know what?
You ca- like,
Their team ileki competition.
No, it's not
Nah.
about that.
Mamela,
It's not even about
mamela,
that. It's not even
mamela.
about that.
Yeka nginibisele back.
It's not even about
We
that.
had
though.
2 deadly strikers,
Yeah.
Cristiano Ronaldo no Cavani.
Yeah.
Bava beyi2. Saba replace ngobani? NgoHoyland. 1 strike replacing 2
No,
deadly
but
strikers.
no, with
Tulumsile.
no Zegs. It
Shoo.
did not buy Zegs.
uZex wafika angazi manje udlala which position whether mntana ka Amorim ngazi yini enwele zakhe
United. Where are United? Yo.
After
United
that,
has a lot of
Sesibhayi
problems.
Sesko. Siya celebrate a competition uvayiso yi1
Hoyland.
mina ungangibhaya manje ufika unginikeza unumber 9 position ngithi ngiyabheka ngidiscover kusenamuntu ongisubstitute even if ngaze ngidlale S you don't have a choice, you have to bear with me.
Yeah.
uSesko bomele bamfakele competition something ezomthusa and the age mate
Amarukunya i-competition yakhe.
ukhonye ufile ulele le
Injani?
as we speak una injury
Yeah.
ukhunya ngeke asibe substitute because amnikeza inumber do you know that thing you have to prepare yourself mentally even if ungathatha i-defend ulifake forward
Yeah.
nalawo mele akore khona uzoclear because he's a defender
Yeah.
so ukhunya yena is used to uba yi-winger adribble anikeze someone akore
Amari-strike ukhulu.
bewuthi ungambona bemfake u9 uyamthola sekunguye sewinger angaphumi kuyo
Hayi.
angaphumi
Style yakhe. le.
exactly ifuna someone ozohlala la
Yeah, sure.
so uyabona ukuthi ukhunya is not a replacement kaSesko
Bangadlala abayi-2. The way you want to play.
yeah sithi Diallo Sesko
Awuthi Mbwemu.
ukhunya
And I'm saying,
i-Rolon mayithatha umhlala phansi
Hayi, boy. Mbwemu. Hayi.
No,
Mbwemu is
do
way
you know-
boy.
do you know
Parent.
what's the painful thing
Yeah.
he's getting chances but he's not killing them thina sifuna umuntu ozobhera ama-chances
For you guys to recover, you must first
Yeah,
accept
they should accept it.
this head menu
Sure.
is equivalent to that version of Arsenal.
We're not the best.
You are trash.
mamela
You can't fix. You couldn't fix Mustafi no matter how much you
Mamela.
tried. The tactic couldn't fix that guy.
ngenkathi nina those Mustafi guys
Yes.
oh,
Kolasinac.
yeah Kolasinac
Socrates. Yo!
Socrates
And
yes
look, before accepting it,
Ulino
Yes.
you won't be okay.
Yeah, they must first
Mamela.
accept. You must first accept.
Yeah.
bafike which final
No final at all.
exactly thina maye siyafika ku-final inisho uyabona ukuthi idlala ngemizwa yethu
Manje mina
Yasinikeza
ngizotshela ngathi ke
i-hope.
ibhasa.
Yeah.
Eh,
What did you guys do?
Mingweza.
yeah
Elijah Mourinho.
Yeah.
Ricky Puig.
You.
Midfield.
You.
Ricky Puig.
You.
Mingweza striking with Dest. Dest was our winger.
Your test.
You have to
Semedo.
accept.
Yeah,
You have.
Hey, bro. Yeah, river boy.
You have. Yeah,
Accept
boy.
the
You
situation.
have to
No.
accept.
Accept the
I
situation.
understand ama-situation enwafakayo ama-team when they were failing to perform
No, the players also.
Players were trash.
the players were trash the team was failing to
Menus kind of
Thina-
players are trash,
imenu
boy.
iyafika kwi-final inish
Those players are trash.
i-hope
My man, those players are trash.
i-hope yokuthi
So he falls hope.
Yeah.
exactly sinikeza ama-false hope
Mara
isinikeza
fanele
ama-full
ngafoli for wona. You
Yes.
cannot lie.
Okay,
Accept,
then
accept,
that means
accept.
Champions League. Bayern is playing against Chelsea. Bayern is at home. How do you see that game?
bafethu ibhayini yadedela into
Ready, boy. Bayern is gonna win that game 3-1.
if uDiaz engabuya ezongomsebenzi singaklokha noko 5
I
Yo.
still don't also.
Mina
I'm
ngithi
with him. Yeah, I'm with him.
3-2. Bayern
What?
3-2.
Yeah.
Kunenye we. Ay. Simeone. Versus
Against
Liverpool. Liverpool.
Who's home?
Liverpool is at home.
Simeone yawina.
Aye. 2-0 to Liverpool.
Me, I said 0.
Oh, Atletico, gents.
Do you know i-Athletic injani?
Have you guys watched Atletico this season?
Hey boy.
Have you watched it?
Yeah, I saw them against. Was it Elche when they lost?
Did you
against
watch the
Elche?
game?
Yeah.
Did you watch the game against Atletico's game?
Especially the yesterday one.
Do you know what? I didn't watch it. I couldn't. It's boring.
No.
It's slow.
Do you know
No
why I
way.
love Atletico Madrid?
Yes.
Atletico Madrid if ungabuya wena overhyped.
Yeah.
Yakudlalisa enye igame ongakazi uyidlala. Your entire life.
Yeah,
Real Madrid izokutshela.
I ninjalo we. And another
Ubuya
big
uthi
game.
mina nginja.
Another big game. Newcastle, Barcelona.
Who's home?
Newcastle is at home.
Wait.
I-
2-2.
If ama rumors engiwabonile true
My rumors.
ukuthi the Yaming master won't be available.
Yeah, he's not. Lamine is not.
The 2-2 game.
But uVolterman ngeke akora.
Who's
Fuck
that?
uVolterman.
Who's
That tallest striker
Newcastle.
lekora igole bekumele
Bundesliga or something.
Yeah,
yeah.
ikora ibhola bekumele niphume like everyone is like it's out. What?
So what's the score?
Barcelona yazwinela kahle 2-1.
Oh. I'm not sure. It's the thing.
Inkinga man Barcelona na ine stress man.
Aye.
But bangafaka uLewandowski.
The thing is,
Bakhipha
boy,
Rashford.
De Jong. I'm not sure if De Jong will be there.
Let's just
Singakhulumi ngokuthi I'm not sure who's gonna be.
yeah, let's
there.
just based on
Kudlala iBarcelona even if angekho
Yeah.
Mara.
even if
so
angekho
it's
iBarcelona
key, boy. De
no.
Jong is
Give us
key.
the
Even if
scoreline,
angekho
Baba. Give us the
iBarcelona
scoreline.
izodlala.
What's the
Jong is-
scoreline?
I'll say 3-2.
Two.
Barca.
Oh wait.
So we have Manchester City welcoming Kevin De Bruyne. Oh, Kevin De Bruyne.
The Conte team.
Yeah.
That's the point that I'm trying. It's a Conte team that scores like it's a team ran on emotions,
Yeah.
you know.
Like
Like-
judge are wrong those things.
What do you mean?
It's like Italian football injalo. They play like that. They as long as
Never.
bewinile.
Hey, Baba, in that Napoli era Kraskela Osimhen defender Kim boy.
Yeah.
That team was you would enjoy watching that team.
You could enjoy watching them.
Yes.
With continental football, they were not doing anything. I understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
that's
So they play abayidlala manje as long as bawinile abanandawo.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. But then in terms of breaking up teams,
You don't
It's
think
not-
they'll
they
you
don't
don't-
look like a team that can break
It's not
that
all
City
about
team
breaking.
down.
Nah.
Yeah.
You don't think they'll just sit low and
In
keep
Napoli.
City on the
Napoli.
counter-attack? Just
They
shower
don't have the
goals.
speed to play that type of football.
They do. They do.
You even know who's Napoli's striker currently?
Hoyland.